Hello everyone, today I'm checking out the Flatsons 5.8 GHz wireless guitar system. It is a compact transmitter and receiver setup designed for electric guitars, bass, and amps. This unit was sent to me for review, but everything I share is based on my real-world testing and experience. So inside the box, you will get the quick start guide, USB-C charging cable, and it charges both units at the same time, one transmitter and one receiver. For the feature, it has a 5.8 GHz wireless band. Comparing to the old one, it has 2.4 GHz. It has 44.1 kHz, 24-bit audio. And compared to the old one, it has 48 kHz, 16-bit. So this new model gives you higher bit depth and better dynamic range for more clarity. For latency, it has 5.58 ms, practically zero delay when playing. Compared to the old one, FW2D, it was around 5 ms, so both are fast, but the new 5.8 GHz system stays more stable when you move around or when interference increases. It has a 100 feet long wireless range, great for walking tests even through walls. Compared to the old ones, the FW2D had about 98 feet, so the new one edges it out and holds the signal better at the far end. It has 6 hours of battery life. The FW2D had 10 hours, so the older model lasts longer, but the new one trades some battery for stronger 5.8 GHz performance. This device supports 7 signal channels, lets you avoid interference and run multiple sets at once. Compared to the old one, it only supports 4 channels, so this new version gives you more flexibility in crowded environments. They both have 270 degrees rotatable plug. It also features auto sleep after 10 minutes that will save you battery automatically. Compared to the old one, the FW2D also had power saving, but this new model wakes up quicker and feels more responsive. Pairing this system is super straightforward. You just plug the transmitter into your guitar, plug the receiver into your amp, turn them both on, and they automatically pair. I recorded my POV using my Ray-Ban glasses, and my Pocket 3 was recording the amp so you can hear the audio the entire time. I know our apartment is not that big to test it, but the transmitter worked flawlessly. There's no signal drops, there's no cutouts, no weird noise. Even at the farthest point, the audio stayed the same. Overall, this wireless system works really well in our apartment. The signal stayed clean, the range held up even going room to room with door closed, and the setup is as simple as plug and play. If you want an affordable, reliable way to go wireless without dealing with cable hassle, this is really worth checking out. That's it for this video. Link is in description if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.